Hey, how's it going, crypto holders, crypto family? How you doing? A little bit of a personal announcement here. I am a little hungover, so I went last night to the Fort Worth Stockyards. I actually grew up in Fort Worth, and I live in a suburb kind of close to that. If you've ever heard of the Fort Worth Stockyards, you need to Google it because it's really cool. It's where the old rodeo is. There's a cool hotel down there called Hotel Drover. We went down there to Billy Bob's. You can Google all this stuff and kind of see there's so much history. Um, and growing up in Fort Worth, Texas, is something that I'm really, really, really proud of. In that it's just a really cool area. But regardless, I was overserved by myself, and so I'm a little hungover. So just bear with me. Drinking water and taking some vitamins. I've had breakfast, coffee, a Coke, and I'm still just barely digging out of the hole. So how many of you guys have felt like that before? All right. Here's what I want to share with you. Look, it's about to start. I've been talking about this in videos. I am very excited about what is coming, about what is just right around the corner, if you will. Right. So today is January 5th, Sunday, January 5th, and there's not a lot going on in the market right now. I mean, we're down 0.4%. Again, not hugely surprising. We had a really nice move up in the early part of the month of January, a little bit more of a move up than I frankly expected. And you can kind of see here, like this was the 31st of December right here. Let's see if you guys can see that. Nope, you can't. Let me move the picture of me. Okay. So right here. So this was, right around the 31st. And then right here, when we got into the 1st of January, we started really moving up. So we were at a 3 trillion 250 billion, so 3.25 market cap, and we've come all the way now to about 3.5. So we've added 250 billion dollars to the overall market cap in just under 4 days, 4 or 5 days, right? And that's good. That's actually better than I expected we would get in the first 4 or 5 days. So this period of consolidation that we're seeing right now is frankly not too surprising to me. It actually makes sense, right? And if you kind of look at Bitcoin chart, it started to do this, where we had this kind of little run up, but now we're consolidating right here. See, we're kind of going sideways. We're doing that consolidation. This XLM chart right here really shows it pretty well. XLM, as an example, back on the 1st of January, you can see it took off, and then it took off, and then it started consolidating, the market consolidating. Okay. And by the way, you see that buy, and you see that red box, that's a sell. So those are buy and sell alerts coming into from my trading software, X1 Algo. $1,000 bought here, sold here, 4 days, would have made you a profit of $355. Not a bad day, not a bad, 3 or 4 days. So if you're interested in that, links are in the description below. If you're watching this here on YouTube, if you're watching this here on X, then the link's above me. There's a discount code right down there in the link. You'll see it, SP1. Use SP1 at checkout. You get a discount. And there's a 30-day no questions asked money back guarantee. But that's what the software does. It helps you to know when to buy and when to sell. That's really how the real profit's made. Most people don't have a clue when to sell. They don't have a clue the perfect time to buy. They don't have a clue when to sell. And you could lock in that profit. Could have made a nice little, tidy $300 to $700 in profit with $1,000 or $2,000 bought in. This is a really cool one. Like, this is XLM as an example when it really took off from here to here. This was the election when Trump, the euphoria of the election here in the States. Right there, you can see it. 19 days, 513%. So to put that in perspective, $1,000 bought here and sold here would have made you a profit of over $5,135. So yeah, good stuff. All right, so that's what the software does. So if you're interested, check it out. Take it for a test spin. You got 30 days, no questions asked, right? Money back guarantee. Look, I think we're going to be consolidating here for a little bit, but the exciting part as a fellow crypto holder is I think the run up we're going to start to see. I'm kind of guesstimating, again, I don't have any hard data around what I'm about to say to you. I think that around January 10th to that kind of January 15th timeframe, I think we might see the market start to take off because of the run up to January 20th, which is when Trump's going to be sworn in. The new SEC commissioner, Paul Atkins, takes over. A lot of crypto being covered in global media. I think there's going to be a lot of eyeballs and capital money, right, starting to flow in somewhere in that. And I think it'll kind of start with a little bit of a whimper and not with a bang, so to speak, kind of start to see the things take off. That's my opinion. It just kind of feels like that. I've been doing this now for 4 years, and this is the first time that we have ever. Let me share with this. We've ever had a pro crypto Congress in history. Now, this title is the Ripple CEO welcomes most pro crypto Congress in history, but I think this part is really interesting. We have a pro crypto Congress, pro crypto president, pro crypto Senate, pro crypto House, all the way. This never happened before. That's why I'm excited about, quite frankly, these next 4 years at the very minimum, right? I think that this is going to be one of the most exciting times in crypto history, and you're here. And you're here early, by the way. Okay. So if you're here now, you're here early. So good stuff. So with that, I appreciate you giving me a few minutes. I'm going to go drink some more water, try to get hydrated because I'm trying to dig out of this self-induced pain that I've caused myself. Later. See you. Bye.